Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, as you know, TCS has started the remote examination, and today we had a exam at 9 a.m. So I am going to do the analysis of TCS NQT 19th of exam morning slot. Okay, so how was the level of the question? Question wise timer was there or not? What was the question were asked in the examination? Okay, can you revisit the question or not? So each and everything will be discussed in this particular video, so please watch the video till the end. And before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you get all the updates on time. Okay, now, so friends, the first and very important thing, so there was no question wise timer. Okay, so there was no question wise timer this time. Question wise timer this time. That means what I wanted to say, friends, for earlier, per question there was a fixed timer. Okay, so suppose for question number one, so question number one, the timing was suppose 1 minute. Okay, but now it is not like that. Question wise timer is not there. For the complete section they have given the time. Okay, so this is a very good news. So question wise timer is removed. Okay, now the second thing, friends, if we'll talk about the question revisit, then they have clearly mentioned this question is mandatory for you to attempt. In addition, you cannot revisit the question. Please take care not to navigate to previous or next question without attempting this question. Okay, now, so what they wanted to mean is, so you can suppose 15th question, if you are not attempting, okay, and then you move to question number 16, then you cannot come back to the question number 15. Okay, so here I can say you cannot revisit the question. And as you know, there is no negative marking. As you know, there is no negative marking, so you need to attempt all the question, my dear friends. So please attempt all the question. And the third thing, friends, the Telegram group link, as I had told, so the Telegram group link I have shared in our Telegram group. Okay, so Telegram group link for the answers, Telegram group link for the answers I have shared in our Telegram group. So if you have still not joined our Telegram group, then you can search on Telegram Online Study for You, or the link will be given in the description. Okay, so there is a total timer is there, so you can see time left, and you have numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability. Okay, now friends, so we will see what was the difficulty level of the question. So I will say the difficulty level of the question was easy to moderate. The difficulty level of the question was easy to moderate. Okay, now, so once we will start solving the question, then only you will come to know the question was very easy. If you have gone through our mock test, if you would have gone through our mock test and our crash course, then you will definitely crack the exam, because all this kind of question has been already done in our crash course. The link also has been given in description. Okay, now, before I start with question number one, so this is 9 a.m. slot questions are there. Okay, see, for everyone there will be different sets, so you might not be got the question in your exam, but I have taken the screenshot so that you do not ask that, sir, this question is not from TCS. Okay, because of you guys only we are taking so much precautions now. So please subscribe and click on bell icon. Okay, because again I will be doing videos on reasoning. Okay, I will be doing videos on aptitude. So if you are going to write in the next slot, it will be easy for you to understand what kind of question has is getting asked. So if a road of 210 kilometer can be constructed by 540 workmen in 28 days, how many workmen are required to build a road of 150 kilometer in 18 days? There is a simple formula. What is the formula? M1 D1 by W1 is equals to M2 D2 by W2, where M is nothing but number of men, women, whatever, and D is number of days, and W is nothing but work. So if a road of 210 kilometer, 210 kilometer, if you're constructing a road, it is nothing but a work. Okay, constructed by 540 workmen, so M1 is 540. And if we'll talk about days, so how many days they are taking? 28 days. Now, how many workmen are required? That means M2 we have to calculate. D2 is nothing but they have given, they wanted to construct 150-kilometer long road just in 18 days. Now this you have to solve. So here we can see 18 threes are 54, so this will become 30, right? And 1010 cancelled, 3 7 ja and 3 5 ja, and 7 will divide this by 4 times. Calculation, 5 into 4 is 20, 20 into 3 is 60, that means 600. So the number of workmen required, to build a road of 150 kilometer in 18 days is nothing but 600. You have to mark the option A 600, and then it was correct. Now I wanted to ask you, is this question is difficult? No, this question is very very easy, just based on this simple formula. So if we have got our crash course, all the questions were based on the same pattern. Okay, so this kind of questions we have done a lot. Okay, next. So next is a problem from trains. Okay, so this is a problem from trains. Okay, now let us see. The railway platform at a certain station is 248-meter long. So the platform length they have given is 248-meter long. In how many seconds it is cleared by the express train, which is 127-meter long? Okay, now the train length they have given, so train length they have given is 127-meter long, and travels at a speed is given 150 kilometer per hour. Now this question again I will say, my dear friends, it is very very easy. Sir, why you are saying all the questions are easy? Because if you'll see the crash course, our crash course, all the questions have been done. Okay, the similar question, and this is a very basic question. See, there is a simple formula: distance is equals to speed into time. Okay, now, so when a train is crossing a platform, then both the distance will be considered. So 248 plus 127. Okay, now speed. So speed, this is given in meter, friends, don't be mistake. So you have to take care of the unit. Okay, then speed is 150 kilometer per hour, you have to convert into meter per second. Okay, so it will become, so if you want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, then my dear friends, you need to multiply by 5 by 18, and time we have to calculate. Okay, now, so 8 plus 7 is 15, 6 plus 1 is 7, 375 is equals to 150 into 5 by 18 into time. Okay, now, so 5 7 ja is 35, and then 5, then 15 5 times, and 105 2 times, and 2 will divide this by 9 times, so time will become 9 seconds. So the train will cross the platform in 9 seconds. Okay, see, you cannot say it is moderate or tough. I'm telling you, this is based on the formula, and this is a very easy question. This is the basic question of problems on trains. Okay, now question number 3, the perimeter of a regular hexagon. Okay, so hexagon you might be definitely knowing, so this is your hexagon. If we'll talk about area, then area will become 3 root 3 divided by 2. Okay, 3 root 3 divided by 2, and a square, where a is nothing but, my dear friend, sides. And if we'll talk about perimeter, then perimeter will be nothing but 6a, where 6 side. Okay, so the perimeter of a regular hexagon with area 21 square root of 3 centimeter square is. Now I will tell you, what is this problem, easy or tough? Sir, you have taken all easy problem. No, my dear friends. Okay, see, whatever problem has been asked, I have taken that problem, and one by one I will take all the problem, don't worry. Okay, so this is a formula based question again. So area is given, area is what, 3 root 3 divided by 2, a square, area is nothing but 21 root 3. Root 3 and root 3 cancelled, and 3 7 ja, that means a square will be 7 into 2 14. A will be, my dear friends, a square root of 14. They are asking to calculate perimeter, so 6a, 6 root 14. How difficult this problem is, my dear friends? You tell me. If you think it is difficult, I will also assume that it is difficult, but I don't think it is difficult. Now, question number 5, average. Friends, this question I had done in the test series, mock test. So free mock test. Okay, so if you have not gone through our free mock test, so if you have not got, please go through now also, because this question might be repeated. See, there is a mock test 3 is there, mock test 2 is there, and then we have mock test 1. Okay, so if you'll see, so there will be similar type of this question I had done average. One question, exactly similar question had come. I had told you also that similar question you will be getting in your exam. Now, the average weight of 6 people increases from 24 to 31.5. Do you know the formula of average? Average will be equal to, my dear friend, sum by number. Okay, now, so what was the average weight of 6 people? So average was 24. Okay, and we don't know what was the total age. Total age is right, sorry, total weight, and divided by how many numbers? 6. So the total sum of, so the total sum of 6 people were 6 4 ja 24, 144, right? Okay, now, so the average weight of 6 people increases from 24, right? So earlier the total age was 144. Okay, now what has happened? So their total age, average age has increased, so total age will also increase. So total age will be, right, So average into number. So 31.5 into 6. Okay. 6 5s are 30. 6 1s are 1 plus 3 will be 9. 6 3s are 18. Okay. Now, so basically what happened? So earlier the total weight of 6 people were 144, and now the total weight of 6 people is 189. So how much total weight has increased, my dear friends? So sir, the total weight which is increased is 45 kg. Okay. Now how it is increased, that we will see. Okay. So the average weight of 6 people increases from 24 to 31.5 kg when one of them leaves the group, and when one of them leaves the group and a new person joins in. If the weight of the person who joined is 60 kg, so total 45 kg is increased. Okay. And who has joined? 60 kg person has joined. 60 kg person has joined. That means what basically has happened? One 50 kg person left and 60 kg person joined. That is the reason 45 kg is increased. Logic based question, do not use much of your mind. See, it is very clear. So earlier it was 144, now it became 189. That means 45 kg increased. Okay. How 45 kg increased? One person left, another joined. The joined is nothing but 60 kg, but increment is only 45 kg. That means the one person who has left is nothing but 15 kg. Option A will become the correct answer. And please go and check the mock test. I have done similar question there. Okay. Now, in a family of 10 adult and few minors. Okay. Now, if we'll talk about the number of adult, it is 10. If we'll talk about the number of minors, definitely not given. It is, this is number. Okay. So X, I have assumed. Now, the average consumption. So my dear friend, the average consumption of flour is 12 kg. So total average is given 12 kg. Okay. Now, so if the average consumption per adult, so per adult is having 15 kg and per minor is having 7 kg average consumption. Then what is the number of minors? No problem. See, this is the data has been given in the question. This I have not got it from somewhere. Okay. It's not like I went inside the earth for 10 kilometer and then I got the raw data. No, this is given in the question. Okay. Now the formula, average will be equal to sum divided by number. My dear friends, average is given 12 kg. Okay. So sum will be what? Average into number. Okay. So average is 15. So for adult, and number is nothing but 10. Okay. Then for minor, the average is 7 and the number is X divided by number. What is the number? So number, adult number is 10 and minor number is X. That's all. Now cross multiplication. This is right one I have. Now for cross multiplication I have done. Okay. Then 12 into 10. So 120 plus 12x. 15 into 10 will be 150. 7 into x will be 7x. So 12 minus 7, 5x. 150 minus 120, 30. X will be nothing but equal to 6. X is what? Number of minors. Option A will be the correct answer. Friends, you tell me, are these questions difficult? No, these questions are not difficult. These questions are easy. Okay, so this is a 6 questions I have solved in this particular video, and next video I am going to solve more number of questions. And I wanted to tell you, friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, because it takes a lot of effort in making a video, and this is the channel which will be giving you the fastest update of anything. Okay, so thank you, take care, and wait for the next video. I'm going to make the next video for you guys. Till then, do subscribe and click on bell icon, and take care. All the best for your second shift examination, and check the telegram groups. I will be sharing you the link. Thank